In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sync in Microsoft Edge. If you're using a shared computer or you don't want your browsing data saved across devices, turning off sync is the best solution. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Now, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. This opens the menu. From here, click Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Profiles on the left side and click it. This is where Edge manages your account and sync settings. Now you will see your profile at the top. Click Sync to open the sync settings. Here you will see a list of things that Edge is syncing, like bookmarks, passwords, history, and more. To turn off sync completely, just toggle off the switch that says Sync. If you want to stop syncing only specific items, you can keep sync on and turn off individual options like favorites, passwords, or history. And that's it. You've successfully turned off sync in Microsoft Edge. If you found this helpful, share this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.